Hi, we are asked to solve these equations simultaneously. So let's get started. Now, considering equation 1, we have that log x plus y in base A is equal to 0. Now, recall that log 1 to base A is equal to 0. So any place we see 0, we have to replace with log 1 in base A. So therefore, this becomes log x plus y in base A is equal to log 1 in base A. So since their bases are the same, the equation becomes x plus y is equal to 1. Let's go here equation 3. Again, if we consider equation 2, we have it that 2 log x in base A is equal to log 1 plus 4y all in base A. So from the equation here, recall that from the index law of logarithm, the left-hand side can be expressed as log x squared to base A is equal to log 1 plus 4y in base A. Also, since the bases are the same, we have it that x squared is equal to 1 plus 4y. First, let's go here equation 4. Now we have obtained equation 3 and equation 4, so we can solve both equations to obtain the value of x and y simultaneously. So we have it that x plus y is equal to 1 for equation 3, and we have that x squared is equal to 1 plus 4y for equation 4. Now, from equation 3, we can make s the subject, so we have that x is equal to 1 minus y. And we can substitute this equation into equation 4. So if we do that, this becomes 1 minus y all squared is equal to 1 plus 4y. So if we expand the bracket here, this becomes 1 minus 2y plus y squared equal to 1 plus 4y. So if we move everything to the left-hand side, this becomes y squared minus 2y minus 4y plus 1 minus 1 all equal to 0. So at this point, plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out, and minus 2y minus 4y is equal to minus 6y. So the equation that becomes y squared minus 6y equal to 0. So at this point, we can factorize to obtain the values of y. So this becomes y, open a bracket, y minus 6 equal to 0. So recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, we have it that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. First, we have that y is equal to 0 or y minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here, we have that y is equal to 6. So now we have obtained the values of y, which is 0 and 6. To obtain the values of x, we substitute the values of y into equation 3. Now recall that equation 3 is giving us x plus y equal to 1. So for y equal to 0, we have that x plus 0 is equal to 1. So therefore, x is equal to 1. Also, for y equal to 6, we have that x plus 6 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 minus 6. So therefore, x is equal to negative 5. Thus, the values of y is giving us y equal to 0 and y equal to 6. And the values of x is giving us x equal to 1 and x equal to -5. So we have been able to obtain the values of x and the values of y. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.